And here we have the Arctic partridge. I'm gonna try to get close. I'm gonna try to get close to these mountainous birds. I don't even know if they fly. Watch out. They may be vicious. Oh, they're not happy with us invading their territory.
Territorial creatures.
Look at how close I am to these birds.
I don't think they fly, man.
I don't think they fly either.
Oh, look, they're coming out of that hole.
Oh shit, they're undergrounders.
They're underground birds.
Underground creatures.
Let's venture to the underground hole. Let me get my beer first. Oh God. Don't fall. It's a steep grade. Oh, sorry, buddy. I mean, sorry, buddy. Where did those birds go?
I don't know.
They were coming from that nest. If you look closely, you can see a nest in there. That's the cave. Look at those birds. I don't think they fly. Signing off.